Hello there, my name is Felipe Vilela and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by DataMini. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. Today's episode, we'll take a look at a new feature of Power BI called Smart Narrative.
All right, so thanks again, Felipe, for walking us through this episode of Data in the Wild. So today you said that we were going to be talking about Power BI Smart Narratives. Can you tell us a little bit about what it is? I think it's a visualization, but I'm not sure.
Okay, absolutely. So Smart Narrative is a new preview feature in Power BI where it summarizes the visualizations that we have in a page of your report.
Now, I think I heard somewhere, Felipe, that this is actually not production yet. Can you tell us a little bit about that? I heard the term preview visualization.
Yeah, so because it's a preview, it's just like it's in beta. So you can enable it and use it in your reports, but it's still in development. Microsoft is still, I said MicroStrategy, sorry. Microsoft is still developing it, but we can enable that in the preview option in Power BI Desktop.
Okay. Now, what do you mean by enable? Is this something that has to be done server side, or is this something that can be done client side?
That's a good question. You can do it by the client side. You just need to enable that in the Power BI Desktop, and once you do that, it will be enabled in service as well.
Gotcha. Okay, so can you walk us through where you go to enable it here?
Absolutely. It's super simple. You just need to click on File and go to Options and Settings. Once you click here, you see Options, and make sure to go to Preview Features and click on Smart Narrative Visual. Once you click OK, Microsoft will require a restart. So we just need to click OK and restart our Power BI Desktop in order to apply our changes.
So now that I've enabled it on my own desktop, what if I want to publish this to Power BI service? Is there any additional enablement that needs to be done on the server side as well?
No, the answer is no. Once you enable that in the Power BI Desktop, once you publish it to web, it will be automatically enabled there. So.
Okay, all right. So now you've enabled it. Do you mind walking us through and showing us where it is?
Absolutely. So here in the visuals, you see that we have a new icon that's for the Smart Narrative. So the only thing that I need to do is to click on this, and everything that we have within this page of my report will be summarized in text in this visualization here.
Because I think that went a little bit quickly. Did you just drag and drop? Is that what you did?
No, so you just need to click outside here. So once you see the visualizations, you just need to click and Power BI will add it to your report in here. So it's that simple. Just click, it will add a new one, and everything that you have in this page will be automatically added as text here in Smart Narrative.
Okay, so when you added that window, all of that text was already automatically done for me?
Exactly. So it gets all the measures and dimensions that you have here, and it helps you understand what is going on with all the measures that you have within this page. So everything that you see here is automatically created by Microsoft by these visualization.
Okay. Well, what if there's components in there that I don't want? Or what if I want to modify something?
That's a great question, because let's say that we don't need to see how the confirmed case increased from January to March. That's a big number. We started with just one case here, and we went up to 22,129. So if we want to get rid of this part, you just need to delete it and format it accordingly. It's that simple.
Okay. And then how are you seeing our customers using this?
Yeah, that's a great question. Sometimes it's tricky to see the visualizations that you have in a page. So the smart narrative is very useful when you want to see quickly what's going on, some trends, and some outliers.
If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. Thank you for watching.